Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film my December Allure Beauty box unboxing. So really quick before I jump into this video and jump into this box, I do not subscribe to Allure Beauty Box on a monthly basis. What I normally do is I go on their website and they always let you know what products are going to be in the box and who they are curated by. So this month, Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills did curate this box, so there are a bunch of her products in here, and that's why I decided to get this box. So whenever you get the box, the first thing you will see is a picture and a pamphlet with the person who curated it. So like I said, this month is Anastasia, and I just absolutely love every product that I own from her. I absolutely love. I don't have everything, but the ones that I have, no complaints at all. So in here it tells you the price of everything, just as other beauty subscriptions do. So we're just going to, as we go to the products, I will let you know the cost of everything. And because I'd signed up for this month to month basis, I did also receive in here those new member gifts. So they're just like additional little perks for you. So I don't know if the retail price is going to be in here on there, but this is what the box looks like. Packaged very nicely. So the first product I got right here is from Hello Fab. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. This I believe was the new member product. Oh my god, I'm just like everywhere. So this is the full size and this is $28. My skin has been a little dry lately and I'm running low on my primers. The one that I'm using currently is the e.l.f. primer and my Milk Hydro Grip primer. So I'm really excited to trying this out. And I think another product that was with the new customer is this Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I've never tried any of Wonder's beauty products, but I'm really excited about this. You can never have enough mascara, and I have heard really good things about them. And I think the last product I received, which was also part of the, first times, is this Wonder Beauty right here. This is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've never tried any gold eye masks, so I'm really curious about that. My bags have been a little bit out of control, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out. So let me actually see if there's a price on any of those. So I already told you the Hello Fab, but nothing else up here is telling you. Oh, so maybe this was just, okay, so I think this was part of the box since the price is in here. Like I said, $28. So the next product that I see here is from Way Skincare. This is texturizing hairspray. I actually have another small one of these. I haven't used it yet. I just don't do my hair. I just straighten it and I'm just kind of out the door. I'm just pretty lazy with that, but I definitely do want to take better care and put a little more effort in my hair next year. So I will try this out. And I'm hoping to like it, but not like it too much, because this bottle is $26. Well, not this bottle, but the full-size bottle is $26. That is a little pricey. I don't know. I'm just someone, I spend more of my money on makeup than hair care products. But yeah. So the next product that I got right here is a liquid lipstick from Anastasia in Bohemian. I only have 2 of her liquid lipsticks, well, now a 3rd. And the other 2 that I have are nudes. I have Stripped and I have Pure Hollywood, and I really do like those. But I did want to try a darker color, and this just looks really pretty. So I'm going to swatch this. This is going to be the only thing I'm swatching because I'm terrible at swatching. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know I'm terrible at swatching. But I did promise next year I will get better. So this is what it looks like when it is wet. When it's dry, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully I did not put too thick of a layer. And that retails you for $20. I know that because I have other liquid lipsticks from her. The next product right here is a mini size of her clear brow gel. This is such a good brow gel. If you are looking for a good brow gel, I definitely recommend this. I have one full size and I have like 2 little minis because I got one in one of my free gifts with my Jackie Aina palette when I went to Ulta. But I do really like this. I'm not too picky when it comes to brow gel because I don't really have a lot of eyebrows, but when I need my brows to stay in place, this is definitely the brow gel I reach for. It just works really, really well. And the full-size bottle retails you for $22. So the next product is what I'm the most excited about. Is from Anastasia, and it is her highlighter palette right here. This is in Moonchild. It is her glow kit, and this retails for $40. And it comes with a little pamphlet, and right here it just gives you some information saying what's a good daytime look that you can get with this palette. So obviously you guys know that you can pretty much use highlighter palettes on your eyes, on your face, on your body, anywhere. It is just a multi-purpose item, and that's why I love highlighters so much. But I did want this palette when I first saw that it was released. I just kind of held off on it because it's not an everyday highlighter palette. At that point when this was launched, I was just more into gold highlighters and other things, other editorial highlighter shades I wasn't gravitating towards so much, and especially for $40 I didn't feel like I was going to make use of it. But now I am all for this. This is just such a beautiful palette. I've seen that they have these at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for about $15. So this entire box cost me $10 because I got the $5 off, but every month is $15. So $10, I'm pretty much getting all of this, and it's still cheaper than getting it at TJ Maxx. But if you don't have time to get this entire box and you want this, they do have it at TJ Maxx. So these are the shades right here. Like I said, I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm not good at it. But we have Blue Ice, Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. I'm really excited to using this and testing it out. I do think I want to try to film a eyeshadow look using this for you guys, but I'm only going to do it if you guys really want me to. I know this is not a new product at all, but it is new to me. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And before I end it, this is what the lipstick looks like completely dried down. It is just a really nice burgundy tone. It kind of looks like this shade. It actually looks like that perfectly in camera. In person it's a little bit darker, but I'm really excited about everything that I got. I'm really happy that I was able to get my hands on this box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.